If you are looking for the best premium semi-affordable setup for YouTube, then you're in the right place. As someone who has only been on YouTube for about a year, it's been very hard for me to try to find a high quality setup that's fairly priced. That's why I'm here to show you guys what I think may just be the best setup for YouTube. Coming up. What's going on, guys? It's Gino from Modern Accessory Review, and on this channel we help you try to find the best products for yourself. On my channel I mainly talk about tech and accessories like headphones, sunglasses, etc. But I wanted to change it up a bit and tell you guys exactly what I personally bought for my YouTube setup. Now I do want to mention I just received most of these items about a week ago, so I still have a ton to learn about them. But I've done tons of research, and to be honest, I think this is the best high quality, semi-affordable setup if you're trying to create higher quality content. First of all, there are three main components when going after good content, and that is lighting, the quality of your videos, so like a camera or your cell phone or whatever you're using to record your content, and of course the audio. When it comes to lighting, you can usually place yourself directly in front of or a bit to the side of a window to get that natural lighting. As you can see here in one of my older videos, there was a window to the right side, giving me enough natural lighting for decent content. However, if it's ever cloudy outside or if you need to film during the night, then you're going to need to get some extra lights. For myself, I picked up these lights right here. They come in a pack of 2, as you can see here, with adjustable stands, these shutter doors, which allow you to guide the light, which are really incredible, as you can see here. They also come with these travel cases if you want to bring these somewhere. They're about $165 on Amazon for this whole lighting setup, which is pretty impressive for what you're getting. Each of these have 660 bi-colored LED bulbs, which means 330 of them are white, and another 330 of them have a yellowish tint to mimic the sun. So I'm going to turn this on for you guys to show you exactly what it looks like. So as you can see, the whitish tint is on as of right now, and then the yellow is like that. I really like the yellow if I'm by a window and I need to turn it on for some extra lighting, and then of course I use the white LEDs at night when I'm trying to get a video done during the night, or if it's like cloudy or something like that. Not only are these lights great for brightening up the area, but you can also adjust how bright or how yellow or light you want your lighting to be. Thanks to these knobs on the back here, you can adjust the yellow with this knob, and then the white with this knob right here. Like I said earlier, the yellow light resembles sunlight, so if you're by a window and you have a shadow, you can just pop one of these babies up and use the yellow lighting, and it looks really good for your content. Of course, if you want to, we also have the option to take off these barn doors or remove this dimmer sheet or whatever it's called right here. So then you just have the plain LED lights without them being dimmed. So now that we got the lighting out of the way, let's talk about audio. Audio is definitely one of the most important things when it comes to good content, which you probably already know. As of right now, I use a small Rode mic that attaches to the camera, but I can't show you guys because it's actually on the camera right now. So I'll have a picture that'll pop up right here. So that's the Rode mic that I use, and as you can see, it just attaches right here on the camera cage, which I will talk about this later on. This costs around $63 and will allow you to have good crispy audio. It's not super incredible like the $150 Rode mics, but it's still good and definitely gets the job done. I've personally used this for my YouTube channel for the past year and pretty much ever since I've started YouTube. It's really nice how small and portable it is because you can just attach it to the camera and then get going. And then of course the mic comes with that windshield, so if it's windy out, your audio will still be good. Now when it comes to the quality of your content, this is where it takes a lot of research to find the best cost-efficient camera for your specific needs. If you're just starting on YouTube, you can use your smartphone camera, which I personally did for like the past year. However, I decided it was time to give you guys some better content, so that's why I purchased the Sony a6400 for some more clear quality. I actually released a full in-depth review of this camera, so I will link it down below if you guys want to check that out. I have truly enjoyed this camera so far because it can take incredible photos, videos, slow-mo shots, and of course a lot more. Now if you're looking into the Sony a6400, you're going to want to get a camera cage that allows you to attach your mic to the side because the hot shoe of the camera is in the way of the flip-up screen. So if you were a vlogger and you were vlogging and the mic was right here, it would be in the way of the screen, which nobody really wants. So that's why you put this cage on like so, and then attach your mic right here, and then you can vlog with seeing the screen and everything will be good to go. This cage goes for about $25 on Amazon, which is kind of a bummer because it seems like a lot, but it's definitely worth it if you're wanting to get the Sony a6400. Now, along with the camera and the camera cage, you're going to want to get a tripod or camera stand. I've been using an old Vivitar tripod that I got like 6 years ago that you can't even get anymore, and that's been working fine for me. However, you can buy a new Vivitar tripod from Amazon for only 15 bucks. But if you are wanting higher quality materials like aluminum and less plastic that'll last you a bit longer, then I recommend this tripod from K&F Concept. I personally don't have one of these yet, but I am definitely going to invest in one in the future, and I've seen many people recommending this tripod, like Sean from Think Media, which is an incredible YouTube channel to help you grow your following with YouTube. So all of these are what I personally use for my own YouTube channel, and I hope it helped you guys figure out what would be the best for yourselves. The total cost of the setup is $1,268, which is giving you a lot for the money. With my research and use, this is probably one of the best high quality, semi-affordable YouTube setups there is to make sure you are creating good content. If you guys got any value from this video, be sure to smash that like button and comment below if you have any questions or if you have any setup recommendations. I want to hear your guys' thoughts on this. With all of that being said, thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.